Good morning. Welcome to Mantra 108. We are on day number 20 of our practice of our Shantipat mantra. This mantra that sends out a prayer for all beings, that everyone might be happy, that no one be diseased, that everyone be able to see what is spiritually uplifting for them, and that no one might suffer. Good morning. So when we do this mantra, this Shantipat mantra, we're chanting for the benefit of all beings. And in this last week of our practice, we've been looking at the importance of reading the mystics, reading those who have walked the spiritual path very intensely, and written about it, so that we might find some communion. We might find community. We might find guidance on our path, so that it might become a little bit easier for us. So in thinking about the mystics, two that come to mind for me are very beautiful poets, Rumi and Hafiz, both Middle Eastern poets from the 12th century. And so I'm going to read a little bit more from Hafiz this morning. So I don't know if this is an extraordinarily popular one of the poems from Hafiz, or if it's just that I've liked it so much over the years that I keep coming back to it. So it may be well known to you, it may be new to you, but this is one of my favorites by Hafiz. And it's called Tired of Speaking Sweetly. Love wants to reach out and manhandle us, break all our teacup talk of God. If you had the courage and could give the beloved his choice, some nights he would just drag you around the room by your hair, ripping from your grip all those toys in the world that bring you no joy. Love sometimes gets tired of speaking sweetly and wants to rip to shreds all your erroneous notions of truth that make you fight within yourself, dear one, and with others, causing the world to weep on too many fine days. God wants to manhandle us, lock us inside of a tiny room with himself, and practice his drop kick. The beloved sometimes wants to do us a great favor, hold us upside down and shake all the nonsense out. But when we hear he is in such a playful, drunken mood, most of us, most everyone I know, quickly packs their bags and hightails it out of town. So I love that one. It speaks of how we want God to be and how when we're faced with the truth on so many nuanced and subtle levels of how the divine operates in our lives, maybe we're not brave enough to face what that is all about, so we hightail it out of town. Now here's another one that kind of speaks to the same thing, and it's called Lousy at Math. Once a group of thieves stole a rare diamond, larger than a goose egg. Its value could have easily bought 1,000 horses and 2,000 acres of the most fertile land in Shiraz. The thieves got drunk that night to celebrate their great haul. But during the course of the evening, the effects of the liquor and their mistrust of each other grew to such an extent that they decided to divide the stones into pieces. Of course, then, the priceless became lost. Most everyone is lousy at math and does that to God. Dissects the indivisible one by thinking, saying, "This is my beloved. He looks like this and he acts like that." How could that moron over there really be God? So, two great Hafiz poems that remind us that sometimes God, sometimes the divine presents itself to us in ways that are not within our calculable, did I say that right? Calculable, compartmentalized little box that we've put our notions in of what the divine should be, might be. And so when we have that compartmentalized idea, then sometimes we miss what's on the periphery. And I can't quote this correctly at all, and I don't even know who it comes from or where it comes from. But there's a saying that says not to discount anyone who comes into your life, because they well could be an angel in disguise. There's a great story about Shiva when Shakti incarnated as Parvati, when she is trying to woo Shiva out of his great deep meditation, so that he can engage with the world through her. Shiva, Shakti. So she's doing all of these austerities, and finally, the heat of her practice, it stirs something in Shiva, who's sitting on the mountain, on the great mountain, in meditation. And this stirring causes Shiva to walk down from the mountain to address Parvati. But he doesn't quite trust her intentions, and so he disguises himself as a young, handsome sage, which is not at all what Parvati wants. She wants the bad boy Shiva. So he disguises himself and presents himself to her, and she comes out of her heated meditation, her heated asana, her heated practice, and she sees this other iteration of the divine, and she says, "You're not my Shiva, go away, go away, go away." So that couldn't fool her. And so even Shiva can disguise himself in so many forms and present himself to us. And maybe we accept it, maybe we don't. But all of these are reminders that the divine can come to us in many different forms. So we have to keep our heart open. We have to keep our mind open. We have to keep this consciousness of ours open to receive the divine in whatever way it might present itself to us. So that is our Hafiz for the morning, and we will now move into our practice. Second to the last day. Tomorrow's the last day, the very last day of our practice. So let's sink into our own beingness. Close down your eyes. As you listen to the sweet sound of this tambura, begin to soften, begin to ground to the earth, open to the sky. Soften the shoulders, soften the skin, soften the muscles. And we'll take an inhale together to begin. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santo niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kasyed dukha bhaved. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santo niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kasyed dukha bhaved. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santo niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kasyed dukha bhaved. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santo niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kasyed dukha bhaved. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santo niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kasyed dukha bhaved. सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः पश्यन्तु मा कश्चिद् दुःखाभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चिद् दुःखाभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चिद् दुःखाभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चिद् दुःखाभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चिद् दुःखाभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चिद् दुःखाभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चिद् दुःखाभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चिद् दुःखाभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चिद् दुःखाभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि pashyanto ma kashyed dukha bhavet sarve bhavantu sukhinah sarve santo niramayah sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kashyed dukha bhavet sarve bhavantu sukhinah sarve santu niramayah sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kashyed dukha bhavet sarve bhavantu sukhinah sarve santu niramayah sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kashyed dukha bhavet. That brings us to the end of our practice today and almost to the end of our week. Tomorrow morning will be our last day of practice. So have a wonderful day. Look for the divine in everything. That's what Rumi tells us. That's what Hafiz tells us. That's what so many of the mystics tell us. Look for the divine in everything because it's there in everything, including ourselves. All right, see you tomorrow. Love you all. Have a great day.